configure the host name resolution. So what is the host name here? At the time of the installation of the Kali Linux, if you remember, I have put the host name, right? So if you want to be check the host name, you will run this command host name and hit enter. So now the host name is a rel. This is the host name. Host name means computer name. So here the computer name and the things can be identified or can be changed. So if you want to be changed here, so you need to be use the sudo command first, and always you can see the host name will be displayed here. This is your username and here is the host name. So host name, like you have the lab and there is a 30 computers in a lab, and you want to be give the name of the every computer is like lab 1 and PC2, lab 1, PC3, PC4 in a single lab. So you have the 50 computers connected, so you can easily give the name of them, so you can identify those. Okay, so that is the reason you need to be change the host name. Sometime if your server is running and this is your PC, because if you know, if you have heard about the fully qualified domain name, FQDN, so in a fully qualified domain name there is a name of your PC, your host name dot your domain name. Your domain name is xyz.com, like this. Okay, so this is the fully qualified domain name. So in a fully qualified domain name, your host name is playing very important role. So if you want to be change the host name, so how you can change this? The host name CTL. This is the command actually used to check the host name and all the things. You can check the status of this. Oops. Here is the host name is a rel. Okay. And here is the machine ID and boot ID which is used. Virtualization technology is used. Operating system Red Hat 9.1. This is the Linux name. Here is the kernel. Here is the architecture. These are the information you will get. If you want to be change here, then you can use --help. It will tell you what the options you can use. First option, you can check the status. Another, you can host name. You can set the host name, whatever the host name you want to be set. Like right now, if I am going to check the status here, so it will display the status information where you can see the host name is a rel. I am going to change the host name in a rel 9 host name and the rel 9. So again, another I am running the status, then you can see the host name has been changed. If you have changed the host name from here, so it will be changed somewhere, like right now you can see you are not able to see here the host name is changed or not. If I am going to open again this one, and now here you can see the host name has been changed. So what was the different here? Different was only the one thing, and what is that? Because your system, this is loaded over the RAM, inside the RAM. When I exit from this, so this program was closed and then restart this program, so the new setting has been loaded. There is one more file here, the sudo, the file I want to check the file status. That is the reason I am going to use the cat command and etc inside the hosts. This file name. When I am going to open this file displays some information. Information means it is going to be redirect me, like rel9 where need to be redirect. If I am going to use a local host, I will be redirect from here to this point. What does it mean? Like either I will use this IP address, either use this way. If I want to be add any information, so now what I want to be use the VI editor etc hosts, because right now the rel will not work as a host name. So I am going to insert here. First I am going to end of this file line, and here I need to put the any IP address. Like right now if I will check, the IP address is 192.168.0.200. so this is point over the rel9. So are you getting my point this time? Like right now there is no any domain name is running here. So either I can use the 127.0.0.1, either we can use here the IP address 192, right now 192.168.0.200. and if I want to be point this IP address, or we can use here the rel9, both will work the same. Got it? So that is the different. That is the reason I need to be configure the this IP address here. Okay, this domain name, this host name here.